Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to allow only future dates in Excel using the data validation. So let's start. Here you can see a simple Excel sheet with the employees data. Okay, I have created two columns, employees name and appointment date. Okay, now we want to make sure that the dates entered in the appointment date column are always future dates only. So now let's apply the data validation. Okay. First, select the cells under the appointment date column. So I select here the entire cells in the appointment column date. Okay. Then go to the data tab. In data tools group, our data validation options. Click on this drop down arrow. Click on the data validations. And here you can see one dialog box is open, data validation. In settings tab, the validation criteria in allow, click on this drop down arrow and select the date. Okay. In data, click on this drop down arrow and select the greater than. Okay. And enter the start date. So I just enter today. So is equal to enter the today's function. So it will consider from start date from the today. Okay. And it greater than consider its required future dates only. Okay. Not any past date. So I just mention here today's and click on OK, and that's it. Okay, and here you can see when I enter any, suppose I enter here today's date is 5/6, right? So I just enter here 5/7/2025. Okay, it's accepted. When I enter here 05/06, okay, and 2021, okay, it's a see, it's not future date. Okay, therefore it's showing the error. The Microsoft Excel, this value does not match the data validation restrictions defined for these cells. Okay, so if you enter any previous date, it's showing the error because here I set for the data validation future date. Okay, so you can enter here any future dates. If you enter any previous date, it will show the error. And you can change this error message also. So I show you. Suppose I enter here again, I show you same the thing. So 06/05/2020. Okay. Now see the error, this Microsoft Excel, this value does not, this error you can change. Okay. So I show you. Again, select the range of cell of the appointment date column. Go to the data validations. And here you can see in third tab in error alert, you can mention your error message. So I simply enter here the one error message. Okay. So error, in error message you can enter here only dates after today will be accepted. Okay, you can enter here anything. So I just enter here randomly, just click on OK. Now I enter here the any previous date 2021. See, the error message is showing the different now. Only dates after today will be accepted. Okay, so you can edit the message also, error message also. Okay, so hope so this helps to keep your data clean and future ready. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.